Kapag warrantless arrest, edi may period. Kapag may warrant, walang period.
And I'm being cautioned by the DOJ, ma'am, that it may be sub judice already to discuss that because of the habeas corpus pending in the Supreme Court.
Ngunit lumabas ang buong katotohanan. Ganito pala ang bagong Pilipinas. Hindi man lang natin alam. Tahimik ang pagtataksil.
There was no red notice and what was issued was merely a diffusion.
Tahimik ang pagwasak.
Paliwanag mong maigi, representative ka ba ng Pilipinas or representative ng Interpol? Pipili ka lang.
Nirepresent ko po ang Interpol NCB Manila.
So mali itong papel na to.
Harapan ang pagtalikod.